In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload documents on IFX Broker. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, whenever you create your account with IFX Brokers, you will be able to go to your dashboard here. However, for the first time you're trying to use it, it's going to be disabled because you have to verify your account. Now, to actually do that and to upload your documents, here up top, it's going to say My Application, and then you have to put in a bunch of different things, and the Upload Documents section is in here. So just click on Start My Application, and then you're going to have to put in your financial experience first. Okay, so just go ahead, go through the personal info, the declaration, etc. There's a bunch of different things, and then up here you also have your FATCA experience. You will also have to do that and complete that step, and then of course click on next whenever you're done. And then the third step is going to be the uploading of your documents, and this is where you're going to be able to upload your required documents. Whenever you do that, your account will then get verified. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.